So, getting stuff for this video. Excuse me. So today we are making toast with butter on it. So I was actually getting the butter. They're already on the toaster over there. How about you can have some of my toast if you said you're starving? Or do you want someone else?
Might have a bit of your toast. Or might just make some tuna soup for me.
So I've brought a towel with me just in case there are any messies.
There's a little plate.
And a plate. So while we're just waiting for that to go, that toaster to go, we're just gonna talk about what I'm making. So, let me just.
Okay, you just work away, honey. Okay.
Okay. So, I just got a shower, so that's why my hair's wet. So yeah. So, I know how to make a couple of food recipes. I know how to make sandwiches, pancakes. What are they called again? I just had them this morning. I forgot the name. And I just learned how. This is my first time making toast and butter on it. We are just going to leave the one that I forgot the name of because, yeah, I forgot. I'm just going to check on it because, going good. They're going great, actually. Yeah. What you're leaning on is this. But I'm not going to be making them in any of the videos because actually I'm going to be making them with my family and for Halloween. On Halloween Day. And Halloween's like in 2 days. 2 days? Like. Oh wow, that really hurt. That really hurted. This is the butter I'm going to be using. I'm Pennywise. So I got my plate. Ow, where are my buttons? That hurt. Oh, that's my toast. No, I got it.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna get my toast. Where are those mini tweezers? Mommy, where's those mini tweezers? Oh, there. Yeah, I found them. Oh wow, that's hot. Ooh. Hot fire, I can feel the smoke.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Finally, they're out. Just gonna turn this off because we do not want to waste electricity. And I'm just gonna get something real quick. Actually, it's right near you, so like I don't even have to bring anything. No problem. Oh. Of course, getting butter on it. Okay. Like that. No. There. So we got our butter of the day. It's brand new, so it's quite hard. 5 minutes already. So 5 minutes ago I started this video. I know how to spread butter, okay? Don't worry, guys. What I would do is I would put the butter on the bread before it's even toasted so the butter melts. But I don't think that's right. It's all cooled down, so I'm allowed to touch it. So this looks so yummy. I'm just gonna cut it. I make vids because I like helping people. I like the way people watch my videos because I think it's good. I've been making videos over a year now. So yeah, I've made videos like since I was 6. And guess what? It's my birthday. No, my party in like next Saturday. And it's my birthday very soon. Like very, very soon. You know, my birthday's like on 9th of November. And it's 2 days before Remembrance Day. And guess what? My friend told me she was supposed to be born 2 days after me. So like... Welcome to the fridge. No, I don't fit my place there because all the water bottles go there. How am I gonna make room? Oh, okay. Ew. Not simple. I haven't ate in 7 minutes. And I've been starving since. A tight struggle here. There we go. There we go. Probably gonna clean everything. Like later, probably. I feel like I want some fruit with it, so. Oh my goodness. Are there any fruit that I could have it with it? There's some strawberries left. Strawberry! Strawberry! But how am I gonna cut without that? Should I get that again? I got the strawberries and that again. How much strawberries do I even want? Oh no. I should just have all of them. There are only 4 more left anyway. Time to get like you are the peace in my trouble sea. Oh, you are the peace in my trouble sea. My lighthouse, shining in darkness. I will follow you. My lighthouse. That's a big. My lighthouse. I will trust the promise. He will follow me. My lighthouse. I will trust the promise. He will follow me. Safe to shore. So I have my strawberries. I'm going to put it with my toast, and I think that should be my recipe. I think that's amazing right there. By God. Oh. Just set them all that way so they don't blow away. Thank you for watching me. I'll do recipe with yous and maybe cook again with yous. Bye.